All right, guys, outfit of the day. Headed to the office for just a little bit today to help get a couple of things sorted out. Turn it this way. So yeah, so we're gonna head there for just a little bit and we'll kind of keep you updated throughout the day. It's a beautiful day outside. See if I can get in between the cracks. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you my under eye brightener again. I know you guys have gone absolutely crazy over this product. So what I do is I take my beauty blender and I dampen it, just barely damp, not wet, just damp. And I dip it in the container. And then I just kind of pat it underneath my eye. Get just a little bit more. I do just a little bit at a time. You don't need a lot. This is a thicker product, so just use just a little bit, and then it looks really natural on the skin. You just don't want to put too much. I love how natural looking it looks when I just use just a little bit. Alright guys, so check it out. Look at the difference. See my dark circles here? They're gone. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. See, I just put a little bit on, and then go back and blend it. And you can just comment below and say you're interested, and I will actually inbox you the link to make it easy for you. Just a little bit more on this side. Seriously, like one of my favorite products ever. Because it really works. There we go. Alright guys, we're back from the office. And I'm making me some more of the strawberry cake liquid IV water. I'm really excited to try the new flavors because I've been drinking 2 of these every single day. I literally have not had one day where I did not drink 2 of these drinks. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. I like to put it down lower, and that way it already mixes it like for me, basically. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The lighting gets so weird with the refrigerator light. I don't know why. See, and it mixes it up for me, so I don't even have to mix it up. See? Perfect. Perfect. It's just like the best taste of like summer. It's like a summer taste. That's the taste of summer. All right, now I'm gonna go in here and upload vlog 2 for you guys, which I hope you're consistently watching. Outfit of the day is still on. Even though what I really want to do is get my PJs. I'm not going to do that. And I'm so upset because y'all know the electric blanket that I literally like curl up in every single day when I'm sitting in this office chair. Guess what? It completely croaked. So now I literally don't have an electric blanket. So I will be buying one off of Amazon and I will do a review. Christopher said, get comfy, come outside, and let's drink a glass of wine. So I will not be arguing with him.
So she got comfy.
I'm so cold. Literally. So look, I'm in my comfies. Gonna put on my lip gloss now. We just use this guy. Oh, it's okay, babe, I got it. Watch how cool this thing is. I'll link it below for you guys. Nope, it will. Watch this. This is how magical it is. Oh, it's dead. Almost. She's almost dead. That's the problem.
One day you'll listen to me.
Who said that? Who said one day I would listen to you?
I said one day you'll listen to me.
It's almost dead. I haven't charged it literally in 6 months. That's why. Alright, usually I don't even have to take this stupid little... Which, by the way, why do they even do this? Have you ever wondered about that? It's like 6 something. No. Yeah. Alright, now. It's gonna die before it sucks it out.
You got it. I got faith.
No, it's gonna die.
I can pop it out in a little bit.
Okay, well usually this thing is absolutely amazing. It's just I haven't charged it. I need to find the charger since we moved. But it's still gonna come out. Got it.
Nice.
2 glasses, please. Alright, can you rinse them for me? Got me 2 glasses. These are my favorite glasses. They're Rachel's though. I love them. You can't find them anywhere unless they're at TJ Maxx in the actual store.
Quick note, one time we were on Rachel's Zoe.
Yeah, we were on the Zoe report. Forgot about that.
Good times.
We were featured on the Zoe report. We were. Cheers to that. Yes. I think we should put more. If we're going outside, we don't want to have to come back in. You know what I'm saying?
True.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Got me comfies. Got me crumpy. I mean, I wasn't lying when I said I got all my comfies.
I had to take them off so they would dry.
You want to dry now? That one's fine.
Yep.
Where's the other?
Over here.
Okay, show them the outdoor set, and then I can link it for them.
Oh, the chairs. Yeah.
Yeah. So I got the rocking chair, both pillows that go over there, and I got the table, and I got all of it for $175, which is ridiculous because the quality is great and they're actually rockers. So
And they rock.
the battery just cut off, but there's only enough footage for me to show you that Crump just got on Christopher and had a little dirty buoy.
I hate this guy.
Grumpy!
I was gonna take you to a private island.
Grumpy!
Disgusting. Can't have anything nice.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog.